Are you tired of manually updating each app on your iPhone one by one? Or maybe you're wondering if there's a way to update everything in just a few taps. Well, you're in luck, because today, I'm going to show you how to update all your apps on your iPhone in the easiest way possible. Stick around because I'll also share some tips on enabling automatic updates so you don't have to worry about outdated apps again. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the App Store. That's right, we're heading straight to where all the magic happens. Once you're inside the App Store, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your account settings where you'll see a list of pending app updates. Now, here's the key part. Scroll down a little and you'll see a section labeled Upcoming Automatic Updates or Available Updates. This is where you can see all the apps that have updates waiting to be installed. Instead of updating them one by one, look at the top right corner where it says Update All, tap that button, and boom! All your apps will start updating instantly. You'll notice the progress circles appearing next to each app as they update. Depending on the number of apps and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. While waiting, let's talk about a cool trick to make your life even easier. If you want your apps to update automatically without having to do this manually, let's enable automatic updates. Exit the App Store and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Now tap on App Store. Inside this menu, you'll find an option labeled App Updates under the Automatic Downloads section. If this switch is turned off, tap it to turn it on. Now, your iPhone will automatically update all your apps whenever new versions are available. No more manual updates are needed. But here's something important to consider. If you're worried about using too much mobile data, make sure to check the cellular data settings right below. You can choose to allow updates only when connected to Wi-Fi or enable them over mobile data as well. This helps prevent unexpected data usage if you're on a limited plan. And that's it. Now you know how to update all your apps at once and even set them to update automatically. No more dealing with outdated versions or missing new features. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you in the next one.